G&J's World. It's your girl Jayla, and it is currently 7:15 in the morning. I'm gonna be taking you guys with me as I go to my appointment and prepare for my baby's arrival. Not today. I'm not going into labor and I'm not getting induced. I'm currently 36 weeks and 1 day as of today, or 37 weeks. I'm gonna be dropping Soraya off to her godmommy so I can make it to my appointment. Greg has a haircut. I gotta do my hair later, and then today we're gonna go get little man. But currently I have to go ahead and hurry up and do something to my hair so I can drop my baby girl off. I'll probably pick up breakfast on the way because I have to stop and get gas too, because I gotta drive 45 minutes to my appointment. So yeah, let's get this day started. I already prayed to start my day. Okay, my head just acting up this morning. Don't judge me, okay? All right, y'all. I forgot to vlog it, but because I wasn't rushing, but I was up on the move. But I just dropped Soraya off to her godmommy. Greg helped me put her in the car and stuff like that. So right now I have 10 minutes to get back home and put on something to wear so I can, still gotta put gas in the car to make my appointment. And it's raining, so I'm not gonna try and do too much. I think I'm just gonna keep on the hoodie and put on some leggings or something, because it's, like I said, it's raining outside. I was gonna put on a dress and some other stuff, but you don't really wear dresses in the rain. I mean, this is not that kind of day today. I'm gonna see when I get home. Y'all, it took forever for me to find parking up here, and I hit morning traffic. I was teed off. But I made it. I'm a few minutes late, but I made it. And it's not even raining like I thought it was gonna be. I could have worn a dress. Y'all, I forgot they had to swab the front and the back. I forgot that. It wasn't bad last time. It wasn't. I mean, I don't know why people over-exaggerate that, but I don't know how this time gonna be. I mean, the last time I couldn't tell. But let me hurry up. I really wish I just would have went ahead and wore my dress, because it's not even raining down here. And then the rain's still kind of messing my hair up. Well, I'm kind of rushing, but I'm good. I look fine. But dang, they haven't come in yet, and I didn't get to stop at breakfast because it was such a long line at Starbucks and McDonald's. I don't really eat McDonald's like that. I just want to get a sauce and burger, but I don't care. Just go ahead and swap me, do what you gotta do, so I get up off this table and get breakfast somewhere before they end. Probably won't make it to Chick-fil-A. Why do I have a feeling they forgot about me? They stopped serving breakfast everywhere. I really wanted a sausage McGriddle with some hash browns. I got me a 10-piece chicken nugget with fried sweet and sour sauce. And I don't eat McDonald's while I'm pregnant. I don't eat McDonald's at all, for that matter. I cut McDonald's completely out my diet. It's just totally different than when we was growing up. There's gonna be some there that I ate McDonald's, but it was literally my last. Never again after this. Did I mention I was running off of zero sleep right now? I was gonna go and get my eyebrows done today, but I don't know. I just like doing little things every now and then to just be like, I'm still that chick. So even if it's getting like a simple thing done to my nails or getting my eyebrows done. So like she kept the thickness. Like I said, they used to be like a lot thicker than this before. And yeah, there's that. I'm gonna see if Sarah's godmom wanna hold on to it for a little bit longer. Wait, you playing Halo?
I'm playing Halo 4.
Oh, that's the thing.
I'm playing multiplayer.
Oh, with people online.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm about to say, play the game without me. Okay. It's nothing bad. She asked me if I wanted to be induced.
What you told her?
I told her no.
Oh.
I want to give the baby a little bit more time to bake.
Well, she said, "I ain't induced." Well, you can't trust her doctor, baby, like that, no way.
But she was just like, yeah, okay, so, because I told her about my experience last time where they induced me with the Pitocin after they said they was gonna let my body naturally go. If your water didn't break and they try and induce you, it doesn't hurt as much. But when your water broke, it's like that's a barrier. So you don't got that barrier no more once your water broke.
The water broke?
No, my water ain't break.
Oh.
But I am dilated.
Oh, dang, by how much?
What'd she say, 2?
2?
Mm-hmm.
Dang.
She said 1 or 2. I don't remember. But she said I'm either 1 or 2 centimeters dilated, and I now have weekly visits. Told her that I was having like cramping contractions, and she was like, if your water break, or if you see spotting or anything like that, or if your contractions get heavier, go straight to the hospital. I said, okay.
The baby gonna be due early, that's what it sounds like.
It could be, but you never know with pregnancy because it's always a surprise, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
This baby could come full term or late, which is why she was like, do you plan on being induced? So yeah, that's the update. My next appointment is on your last day off. I'm gonna go lay down for a minute, not too long. I gotta take something out for little man to eat, for all of us to eat though.
We supposed to go to the stove.
Okay, well you playing the game right now, so as long as you playing the game, I'm finna be in that bed. Okay.
I ain't gotta keep playing the game, bro. Just stop it.
Well, don't just stop it. I'm gonna rinse my head for like a second.
Go to sleep.
I do. I didn't get no sleep last night,
Yeah.
I stayed up and I prayed and I edited a video and I went into deep thought. Did I show y'all the kids' room like updated? Hold on. I didn't show it updated. I did that this morning. Trying to get Sarai out of here. And then I didn't make her bed back up. I brushed her teeth, wiped her down, and I took off her pajamas, put on her clothes. Little man's bed is made up. I gotta put the sheet on there. I think it's at grandma's house. And we gotta wash his chair. His other grandma, my mom, got him. And then this is Mariah or Elijah's bag. And that's my bag. So if anything happens, just grab and go. Honestly, we're just gonna leave it in the car so that if I ever do gotta hit the road automatically and Sarai's with me, I can just run out the door with her baby bag in my purse and ride. Y'all, I am barely grasping the energy to go grocery shopping today. Cause it's mad hot. Why are you looking like that? Why are you looking like that? Huh?
Like a little tape bag.
Cause you are. I don't got nothing. It's a red light.
I see it, bro.
About to say, cause you look like you about to speed right through it. It's a bug on her car seat.
It's all.
I'm trying to kill it. Y'all, I'm so happy. Greg went ahead and decided to cook today. Y'all understand how happy I am. I get to relax. My hips don't have to ache. My pelvis don't have to ache. My stomach don't gotta cramp, and my feet don't gotta swell up from being on my feet too much. He said he gonna cook today, and I appreciate that so much. And I love him so much. I ain't gonna jinx. Well, it ain't finna be no jinx. I just appreciate him for that. Got it? Okay.
Look. Like, where we at, Daddy? This is a new place. This is all our new place.
Surprise!
You wanna see your room? You wanna see your room, bro? Come on. You see your room to sit right now, but we ain't dead. Look what's here. Your bed is back. Get your bed back, bro. Huh? You like the new place? You do?
Yeah.
More space, ain't it? High five.
And today's a really good day because Daddy is cooking.
Yeah.
I was telling him I appreciate you so much because I'm in so much pain. I'm just trying not to show it. Soraya, look.
Look at your brother. Look.
Oh, look at her. Look at him giving her toys. So Greg didn't record no footage like I had asked him to. Because I know he didn't understand. He was trying to focus on, you know, little man and baby girl was asleep and I was laying down because my hip was like thrown out. But he been in here cooking, y'all. Go ahead and put the little official apron on. I would say get your mitt, but you don't need your mitt, right? Oh my God. Yeah, he little man got him this for Father's Day. Some little kids playing and they play games. Soraya.
Right.
So we air fried some French fries. Them still air frying. Greg on his last batch. I'm so proud of you. Look at you. Put your apron on. Throwing down in this kitchen.
Fuck eat the fries, baby. Jesus, bro.
I'm only eating them one by one, baby.
That's still, man.
You about to toss them bad boys.
A little bit.
Yeah. Heat to heat.
Shall I leave some of your food?
Yeah, just a couple.
I get serious. tell you the whole bottle.
No. Just start tossing them first and then. Smell good. Such a proud wife. Oh my God. Go ahead, bite into one of the wings. It's good like that. Let me go ahead. All right, you guys, it's the end of the night and kids about to get a bath. Little man's in the other one, getting washed by his daddy. So we're gonna wash them up and we're gonna put the kids in the bed, and then have the rest of the night to ourselves, which I'm excited about.
Abraham and Lot journeyed slowly on until they reached the land of Canaan. Still, Abraham did not settle down for long in one place. He moved from one end of the country to the other.
Hey you guys, it's the next day, and we're really the next night. We just got finished feeding the kids. Look, we tell you, after we finished washing those dishes, we went straight to sleep. The kids were asleep, and we cleaned up, and we just went straight to bed because we were just beat. And so today we just kind of did like simple stuff. So I decided just not to record, but just to come back up here to close out the video from yesterday. They both just got finished eating. We all just got finished eating. So, yeah, like I said, Greg is over here chilling. I'm just closing out the video from yesterday because we went to bed and I told him we was knocked out after that. So, update on Greg's podcast. New episode this week.
Like 3 of them.
3 of them?
Like 2 or 3 of them.
2 or 3 new episodes this week. Okay, y'all. What did you do? Y'all gonna have some stuff to look forward to, and we have more videos to edit for y'all anyway. What's up? What you want to say to people? Just want to be in the camera. That's it. I was gonna be like, oh, you know, we have little Greg for 7 days and be like day 1, day 2, but that's a lot of recording. We love y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Share with your mama, daddy, grandma, grandpappy, and if you haven't yet, go ahead and subscribe to Greg's podcast, Thinking Out Loud with Greg. I will drop the link down in the comments below. Make sure y'all follow us on Instagram, TikTok. What else we got? What else we got?
You nigga Twitter.
Snapchat. Follow us on Snapchat. And we'll see y'all next time on G&J's World. Love y'all.
Oh, bye, I love y'all.
Say bye.
Bye.